Hi there. So I am creating a video, a really quick 1 point video on how to quickly replace words on a Google Doc. So for example, um, if you have like a cover letter and you're planning to like reuse it and you're kind of applying for like the same position, like for me, it would be a social media marketing intern. And sometimes they call it digital marketing intern or marketing intern, and everything is kind of kept the same. What you can do is just keep everything the same and replace that one word. So you want to highlight this, control copy, and then you want to hit control H, and that will and then you want to paste whatever you're finding, which is that, and you want to replace it with social media marketing, for example. And if you want to add a space, you can add a space there. Make sure you look at the spacing. Replace all, because you want to replace all the areas. So you have multiple areas that says social media marketing. You replace all, and then now all the spaces that used to say social media whatever marketing is now just says marketing intern. So this is how you can do it, and this is how you can replace words really quickly. I hope this is helpful. This is really good for cover letter or anything you want to just copy and paste quickly, or if you're doing like lots of keywords and you just want to replace the location with different names or whatever, this is what you can use it for. Thank you.